are going to love the 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, heated front seats, compass, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, driver and front passenger heated seats, security system, remote keyless entry, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.